channel. Today I'll be working with a 40-ounce mug from Craft Haven. And I sanded to prep my cup, but I did not base paint it white. I usually do even when I put a different color on the top of it. But I sanded and prepped my cup, cleaned it with rubbing alcohol, and then I painted it with this black. It's called the Blackest Black on the Universe, and it's from Culture Hustle. It's 4.0. It is pricey, but you get a little bit goes a long way. So I put 2 coats on this, and I mean, you can see how dark it is. So now what I'm doing is I'm putting on the Southern Belle Glitters foil adhesive, and I did not put a coat of epoxy over this. I'm doing this right over the paint, which will probably come back to haunt me, but it's for me, so if there's a problem with it, I'll just make a new one. And then I'll do a tutorial on it and let you know that I probably should have put epoxy on it. But anyway, I'm going to put 2 coats on this of the Southern Belle foil glitter, and I'm going to let it dry overnight. I waited like an hour in between because I really wanted to make sure that it was dry. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking some transparent holographic foils from Artistic Painting Studio. It's called Austin, and I'll list and link that in the description box below as well. But once this dries, then I'm going to apply my foils. Okay, I came back the next day, and here's the foil that I have, and I cut out enough so I can wrap it around, and I'm just going to lay the cup right on top of it because I really want to get all the feathers on there in full coverage, and I'm just going to slowly rub this on, not really rub it on, place it on with my big squeegee from the Bowen. That way I won't have any ripples in the feathers because I wanted to keep all the feathers in one piece, if you know what I mean, because sometimes when you pull it off, you get a piece, then you got to piece it back together. So I'm just going to slowly fold this over and squeegee it on the cup. And then what I'll do is I'll rub really hard. Once I get everything on there and I know that it's secure, I'll start to rub really hard with the other end of my squeegee. But I'm going to go around and I'm going to tuck in underneath the handle, and I do want feathers on top of the handle. So I'm just pushing along here, and once I get to the handle, I'm going to make a little cut so I can get it, around the handle piece itself. Now that I have all that tucked in there all around the handle, I'm going to go and I'm going to start rubbing really hard on all the feathers just to make sure that all of them are stuck down to the glue. So this took me a little bit of time, but I just went over, and then I wanted some on the handle too, so I went ahead, and once I was done peeling that off, I put some on the handle and rubbed to get those on there as well. Once I'm happy with this, then it's time to start peeling off, I guess you call it the backing on the foil. I'll start peeling that off, and I want to make sure I went over it again. I just cut it up because I think you need to watch me hunt around just to get those some of the little pieces still stuck on there, and I did not want to epoxy over that because then you'd see it right through. But I was able to get all the pieces off and made sure that even around the handle, some of that backing wasn't stuck, because I did put two layers of the adhesive foil on there because I wanted to make sure it stuck, and boy, it stuck. Once I was done peeling all the backing off and made sure it was clean, I went ahead and put 2 coats of epoxy on. I did 1 coat of the Fast Set epoxy by Flynn Sisters, and then 1 coat of the actually regular epoxy. And here's my cup. I really was happy the way it came out, and it was really quick and simple. So thanks for stopping by. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you again. Bye-bye.